This course is about PLC programming and not PLC configuration. Let me clarify the difference between PLC programming and PLC configuration. The definition of programming states: programming involves tasks such as analysis, generating algorithms, accuracy, resource consumption, and the implementation of algorithms in a chosen programming language. The purpose of programming is to find a sequence of instruction that will automate the performance of a task for solving a given problem. Programming is a science. Programming is universal. Programming is machine and software independent. The definition of configuration states: configuration often refers to the specific hardware and software details in terms of devices attached, capacity or capability, and exactly what the system is made up of. Configuration is operational in context. Configuration is make and model specific. Configuration is technical manual based. This course is about PLC programming using function block, which is one of IEC 61131-3 programming languages. A PLC program is developed based on the analysis of the problem. It is a group of universal specific set of instructions put together using a programming language to automatically perform tasks for solving a problem. Once the PLC programming, testing and debugging is complete, the program will now be downloaded to the PLC of choice that is required for the specific process requirement. It is now in the PLC configuration phase. We download the same PLC program to Siemens PLC, Allen Bradley PLC, and Honeywell PLC. The configuration and download procedure for Siemens PLC is different from Allen Bradley PLC and also different from Honeywell PLC. To put an analogy between programming skills and driving skills, a driver learns the scientific way of driving following physics, traffic rules, and standard universal driving protocols. A stop sign in the United States would most likely be the same in Russia. The reason we have an international driver's license. Once you have the driving skill set, driving a Lamborghini is just a matter of finding the specifics like the paddle, steering wheel, door, and others. The same if you drive a Tesla or you drive a Range Rover. Programming skills equals driving skills. The type of PLC equals the type of car. Programming is a science. Programming is universal. Programming is machine and software independent. You can even write your program on a piece of paper. To recap, programming is universal, and it is the specific set of instructions to perform tasks to solve simple or complex problems. The PLC program is then encoded and configured to run on a specific PLC type and make. In here, I will guide you to develop your PLC programming skills such that after you have completed this course, all you have to do is choose the make and model of PLC you want to program.